All right, testing mic 1, 2. Welcome back to the channel. This is Mr. Pierre Mensah here, and this is Apodos Multimedia. I hope you are very fine. I'm very happy to see you once again here on the channel. In today's video making, I'm bringing you a video by learners of CEM Educational Complex. Yes, basic 7 learners of CEM Educational Complex. Well, as they were learning social studies, they had to dramatize what they are learning to help them have this constantly in their thoughts and their thinking to avoid that they forgetting what they learn. So their teacher was Mr. Xavier, Mark Xavier, and want to have a word with him. And the reason why they would have to dramatize this and one or two things. So we'll have him here right now. All right, like I said, I have Mr. Xavier, Mark Xavier. He happens to be the social studies teacher for the Basic 7 learners of SEM Educational Complex. Those whom's dramatization we are about to watch. I have him here, but I just want him to answer the following questions. Sir, please, why is it necessary for these learners to dramatize what they are learning? Reference to reporting a crime. Why is it necessary for them to do that?
Okay. Thank you, and then thank your viewers on this channel. I would say it's necessary because now how education system has been, it has been done in such a way that we are not teaching the children just in the class for examination, but teaching them more so that at the end of it or in their future, they can be able to practice whatever they are taught in the class practically. That's simply the necessity of this dramatization.
Exactly. So I believe with you. That's very true. So if in summary, whatever they are learning has to be part of them.
Yeah.
That is it. All right. Thank you, sir. All right. So please, do you have something to say to our subscribers or those
Uh,
those who are yet to subscribe? What do you tell
yeah, I
them?
have something to say, and it is very short. That
Hmm.
if you know this is the first time of watching this channel, make sure you subscribe for more videos because more videos ahead that you may watch and enjoy and even help you, whether educated or not educated, and whether matured or not matured, to help you in future. Thank you.
All right. Thank you very much, Mr. Mark Xavier, for that short delivery with reference to the case dramatization. So we are going to watch that short dramatization with reporting a crime. Relax and let's have a feel of this dramatization.
Were you able to answer all the questions the teacher gave us?
Yes, but not all.
Okay, I didn't also answer all. That's why I was asking. Maybe I could ask you to give me the answers.
Okay.
What about take this road to my house?
No, also take this road to my house.
Okay,
See
bye
you.
bye.
Don't forget to do your homework.
Okay,
Bye
thank you.
bye.
I'm for boy. Why didn't pick him a call? My last two Ghana media mouth, the fuck talk about the lad ember challenge. It's not in your Russian video. It's not in your Russian video.
Blessing didn't come to school today. What should say? Let me give her a call. Hello.
Oh, Russian up. Just one that you fool. Now you're so no kita. But it's not me. Why my phone beating me?
Hello, Blessing. Were you sick? Why didn't you come to school today?
Hey! Jessica said that phone up there. She was small. She phone kita. I was said, Papa, mama.
My phone! My phone! My phone! Officer Livingston.
Yes, sir.
Of late, crime in our community has been very rampant. We must be on our toes.
Yes, sir.
Young girl, what's wrong? On my way coming home, a boy stole my phone from me. What a sad news. Can you show us the location? Yes. Officer Livingston, let's move.
Sir. Phone your guy. What's up now? Where they see them making me happen and they see them making. When mention the band 200, I'm not trying to that.
That's it. To the girl's phone. I'm sorry. We're under arrest. Follow us to the police station. Give me the phone.
All right, so you saw it all. That was a lovely dramatization of reporting crime. And please, if you find this video to be very helpful and educative, hey, please don't hesitate to subscribe to the channel. Please share the video for others to benefit. This channel has a lot for you. In fact, it is an educative channel, right? We learn fancy here on the channel. We do schools educationally entertaining programs here on this channel. Well, please, if you want to contact Apodels Multimedia for us to have a feel of what your school can offer, please call the number below. See you once again here on the channel as we talk, we learn, we educate, and more. The name is Mr. Apiaminsa. See you once again. Bye-bye.